Say hello to your next dinner recipe, folks, with this amazing plant-based truffle chicken Alfredo featuring the mighty soy curl. Soy curls are made from whole soybeans. They're a great source of plant-based protein, and they have a nice, meaty texture. This is a quick recipe that uses simple ingredients. We've been using soy curls to make a number of different things, like these barbecue soy curls that taste a lot like barbecue chicken. We'll put a link to this recipe up above right now in case you want to check it out. In addition to the soy curls, we're going to be using this protein plus spaghetti that has about 10 grams of protein per 2-ounce serving. However, if you need a gluten-free option for pasta, you can use something like this chickpea pasta that's made only with chickpea flour. It's also an excellent source of protein, so you can still enjoy a recipe like this even if you're gluten-free. And so to start off, we're going to soak our soy curls using hot water for about 10 minutes. This is going to allow the soy curls to rehydrate. Once they're done, they're going to look just like this. You're then going to want to drain these and set these aside until it's time to put them in the skillet. Now for our Alfredo sauce, we're going to make this from scratch using raw cashews. We want to soak these in boiling hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. This is going to help soften them up. And so now it's time to cook our soy curls in the skillet. We're going to season these up using some salt, some garlic powder, poultry seasoning, and some black pepper. And you're going to cook this over medium heat until lightly brown. Make sure to stir them often because sometimes the soy curls can get stuck to the bottom of a pan. Once these are done, you can set them off to the side until it's time to build your plate. Next, we're going to finish making our cashew Alfredo sauce using some fresh garlic, a half cup of nutritional yeast, some salt and black pepper to taste, and a cup and a half of soy milk. You can use another milk if you prefer. And then we're going to blend this on high speed until it's nice and combined. Taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. I decided to add a little bit more salt and nutritional yeast. And we're almost done, folks. Next, we're going to go back to our skillet and saute some shallots. You can use onions if you don't have shallots. That's totally fine. And then we're going to add some chopped kale because if you know us, we try to add greens into as many things as possible. We're going to season this up a bit and then add a little bit of that pasta water that we boiled the pasta in. Then our Alfredo sauce is ready to be added back into the skillet along with the pasta. Now we're going to get this all combined and mixed together. And then we're going to finish it off with some Italian seasoning. And now it is time to build our plate, folks. We're going to add our pasta followed by our soy curls and then some truffle oil. This is what's really going to set the flavor off in this dish, in my opinion. And then we topped it off with some fresh black pepper and some smoked paprika. And there you have it, folks. This whole meal, based on the amounts that I used here, came out to about 32 grams of protein and about 15 grams of fiber.
Dang!
And then of course I have to drizzle a little bit of lemon juice on top, and it is time to give this a taste test. As you can see, I really couldn't hold my expressions. I had to do a little praise dance for this one because it was just so good, y'all. It's so good, people. The truffle oil is the X factor. And that's how you make a plant-based truffle chicken Alfredo, folks, in as little as 30 to 45 minutes. Now, if you want to check out one of our other high-protein plant-based recipes, then click on the video here in the top right. In the meantime, stay young, stay healthy, and live well, friends. Peace.